Welcome to our summary of Nexus by Yuval Noah Harari. In this book, Harari challenges the common belief that information's main purpose is to show us the truth. Many people think that having more information makes us wiser and more powerful. However, Harari argues that just gathering more information doesn't always lead to better understanding. Harari also explores a different perspective on information, where it's not just a neutral tool, but something used in power struggles. In this view, truth isn't something fixed. Instead, it's a collection of stories that people use to gain power. Populists, for example, often distrust institutions that claim to hold the truth, seeing them as tools for the powerful to control others. Harari suggests that the real strength of information lies in its ability to connect people and ideas. These connections, whether based on facts or not, help shape our society and what people believe. This idea is important for understanding how human networks work and how artificial intelligence is now becoming a part of this system. The book then shifts to the importance of storytelling in human history. Harari explains that what makes humans unique is our ability to create and believe in stories. These stories have allowed large groups of people to cooperate, even if they don't know each other personally. Shared beliefs, whether in gods, nations, or brands, have helped build communities based on common ideas. Harari shows the power of these stories by explaining how they shape our shared realities. For example, religious myths and nationalistic stories have had a huge impact on societies throughout history. The power of these stories lies in how they simplify complex ideas and bring people together for a common purpose. However, Harari also points out the limits of oral storytelling, which can change over time and become less reliable. To solve this, humans developed writing, which provides a more stable way to store and share knowledge. Writing led to the creation of complex governments and legal systems, changing how societies were organized and controlled. Yet, the shift from oral to written stories introduced new challenges. Written documents are reliable, but need careful management and organization. This led to the growth of bureaucracy, a system of record-keeping and procedures to manage information. Bureaucracy helped large societies function, but it sometimes sacrificed truth for convenience, making it harder to change and adapt. As Nexus goes deeper into human networks, it explains how moving from oral traditions to written records changed society. This shift allowed people to store and share large amounts of information, which helped centralize power and build complex government systems. Documents like laws and tax records became important tools for controlling large populations. However, this change also brought new problems, especially in finding specific information. Unlike the human brain, which can quickly recall memories, finding documents in large archives required new ways of organizing information. This led to the creation of bureaucracy, which often prioritized order over accuracy, creating a tension between keeping control and preserving truth. The book then explores the search for certainty and the role of religious institutions in history. Holy books, seen as perfect sources of authority, were meant to provide a strong foundation for moral and social order. But when humans, who can make mistakes, interpret these texts, powerful religious institutions can arise, focused more on maintaining their authority than on seeking truth. In contrast, the scientific revolution embraced the idea that humans can be wrong. It focused on the importance of evidence and correcting mistakes. Unlike religious institutions, scientific organizations worked to find and fix errors through peer review and open debate, fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptability. The book also looks at how different political systems handle information. Democracies value the free flow of information and open debate, allowing them to correct mistakes and include diverse voices in governance. On the other hand, totalitarian regimes control information and silence dissent, prioritizing stability over truth and freedom. As the discussion continues, the book highlights the challenge of balancing truth and order. The pursuit of truth drives progress, but maintaining social order often requires control. This balance is especially important with the rise of artificial intelligence, which has great power over information and decision-making. In the section The Rise of the Inorganic Network, the book shows how computers and algorithms are different from older technologies. Unlike tools like printing presses or radios, computers can make decisions and come up with new ideas on their own. This shift suggests that power might move from humans to machines, changing how information networks work and possibly redefining human society. A key idea here is how powerful algorithms have become, especially on social media. These algorithms control what information people see, shape public opinions, and even affect political events. For example, on Facebook, algorithms designed to keep people engaged ended up spreading hate speech in Myanmar, leading to ethnic violence. This shows the dangers of algorithms that focus only on engagement without considering the consequences for society. As the book goes further into digital technology, it looks at the loss of privacy and the rise of surveillance. The digital age has changed how surveillance works, making it possible to watch people on a large scale. Every action online leaves a trace that can be collected and analyzed, blurring the line between public and private life. While surveillance can help with things like crime prevention, it also raises serious concerns. These technologies could be used to discriminate, oppress, and take away freedoms. It's important for democratic societies to have strong protections to prevent the rise of oppressive states where citizens are always being watched. The discussion then moves to social credit systems, which are a new way to control people. These systems give people scores based on their behavior, which could create a society where every action is monitored and affects what services people can access. The Chinese social credit system is an example, where scores can influence job opportunities and social privileges. In closing this section, the book shows that the AI revolution is complex, with the power to both improve society and bring risks of authoritarian control. It's important to develop and manage AI carefully, making sure its goals match human values and protect people's privacy. In the section Computer Politics, Nexus looks at how AI could change political systems. As AI becomes more independent, it could reshape global politics, making it necessary to rethink how governments operate. Democracies built on open discussion face serious challenges in the AI age. AI's powerful data processing abilities can threaten these values by enabling extreme levels of surveillance and manipulating public opinion. This could lead to a loss of privacy and weaken democracy, possibly resulting in a digital dictatorship disguised as choice. Totalitarian regimes, on the other hand, face the dictator's dilemma. These regimes might benefit from the control AI provides, but this control could backfire as AI systems become capable of challenging or even undermining authoritarian leaders. The book also talks about the possibility of the world splitting into digital empires. Different countries and political systems could take different approaches to AI, leading to separate technological and ideological groups. This split could increase tensions and make it harder to work together globally. This part of Nexus highlights how AI can be both powerful and disruptive, urging all political systems to handle the challenges and opportunities it presents carefully. In the final section of Nexus, the book delivers a strong message about the need to handle the AI revolution with care. The decisions we make now will greatly affect how AI changes our world in the future, so it's important to actively manage AI's development. The book calls for a balanced approach to AI. We need to see both the benefits and dangers clearly and prepare for both. The book also highlights the need for systems that can fix problems related to AI. It compares this to the history of nuclear technology, where international cooperation and strong rules helped avoid major crises. In a thoughtful conclusion, the book imagines a future where humans might no longer be in control, as AI becomes more capable of making decisions, creating new things, and influencing culture. The book ends by considering two possible futures, one where AI leads to negative outcomes, and another where humans and AI work together positively. The final message emphasizes the need for careful and ethical AI development, urging global cooperation to ensure that AI protects and improves human values. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more insightful book summaries and practical advice. Stay tuned for more content that can help you achieve your financial goals and personal growth. Thanks for watching.